Very good morning to my dear students. So we have completed our first chapter from history, that is what, where, how and when. So today we are going to recapitulate about the chapter, whatever we learned till the end, and it's a summary kind of thing. So please go through the video. If there's any doubt, feel free to ask me, and also do some extra questions which I'll be giving to you as a part of the chapter. And that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day and good morning to my dear students, and welcome to our social science class. So we have successfully completed our first chapter, and we are over with question answers also. So today we are going to recapitulate the chapter whatever we studied, so that you can have a very good understanding of the entire chapter. So the chapter was about what, where, how and when. So in the chapter we came to know about past, how hunters, gatherers lived their life, how they collected their food. They collected their food from forest, they gathered, they hunted. This is how they used to live their life. And we studied about the name of the land, that is India. And one more thing, in the first point we came to know about the bank of Narmada river, where most of the population concentrated out there. And we also learned that after a few years, nearly 2500 years ago, the cities started developing and flourishing in the bank of river Ganga and also Narmada. And after that we came to know about our land India, the origin of the word India, where it came from, who gave it, right? The Arabian, mostly they came to India, the Greek and the Arabian, they came to India, and they actually gave the name as Hindus or Indus because of the river Indus. Hence it was modified as river Indus, and the name came to be known as India or Bharat. And we also came to know about the sources to find about the past, that is manuscripts and inscription. And coming to manuscripts, we know that those are the handwritten old books which are written by various people talking about their era, how things were going around in that era, how events were taking place, about poems, about poets, about author stories, how they used to play, how they used to live, what they used to eat. Everything was written in inscriptions. Manuscripts, which were written by hand. And inscriptions are mostly written in hard metals or stones. And the one more advantage of writing in hard metal is that they remain and they cannot be destroyed. But coming to manuscripts, although they are written in palm leaves or sometime in the bark of the tree, so they may get destroyed because the insects eat them, right? But a few left, and those were enough for knowing the past, and also it was an evidence for the archaeologist to know about the past. Although many handwritings are still not understandable to the archaeologist, but till now most of them were being successful in knowing about the past, about the people and their lifestyle. And at the second last we have past of different people. It means that although we came to know about hunters, gatherers, peasants, then craftsperson, traders, and also kings and queens, so every person in that era lived in a different way, and their lifestyle were also different. The farmers or the hunters gatherers, they used to do agriculture. They used to grow their own cereals, own vegetables, raw vegetables. And but kings and queens, they used to buy from them, or sometimes they were also gifted by the farmers, herders or hunters, right? And nextly and last we have meaning of dates. So we came to know about three important concepts, that is BC, that is before Christ, AD, that is Anno Domini, and BP, that is before present. So these are the three important terminologies which are used to define dates, right? For now we have recapitulated the entire chapter. Still, if you have any doubt regarding the chapter, feel free to ask me, And if you have any doubt in the question answers also, you are most welcome to ask me, and I'll give you some extra questions like MCQ type questions. Please kindly do it, and you can submit me by Wednesday. Thank you. Have a nice day, and God bless you.